Hey guys, in this video we're gonna solve molarity problems, and in the previous video we solved problem A. In this video we'll solve problem B and C. Problem B, you have 0.8 liter of a 0.5 molar hydrochloric acid solution. How many moles of HCl does the solution contain? So the given is the volume and the molarity, and we are trying to find out the number of moles. And as you know from the previous video, molarity equals number of moles divided by volume, and the given is volume is given, which is 0.8 liter, and concentration equals 0.5 molar. Concentration means molarity, so we can substitute with the concentration number in molarity and with the volume here. So number of moles equal molarity times volume. Molarity equals 0.5 and volume equals 0.8. So the final answer is 0.4 mole. It's very easy. You have to substitute only with the given numbers, and take care. If the volume is in milliliter, you have to convert it into liters by dividing. You have to divide by 1000. And right now I'll give you a sample problem and try to solve it by yourself. How many moles of HCl exist in 500 milli of a 0.5 molar solution of hydrochloric acid? So the volume is given but in milliliter, and the concentration is given, and you have to find out the number of moles with the same way. The final answer should be 0.25 molar. This is the final answer. So try to solve the problem and check your answer. Then we will go for sample problem C. And problem C, a 23.4 gram sample of potassium chromate is needed to carry out a reaction in aqueous solution of silver chromate. All you have in hand is 5 liter of a 6 molar potassium chromate. What volume of solution is needed to give you 23.4 gram of K2CrO4? As you can see, K2CrO4, which is potassium chromate, is the solute in the solution. So the mass of solute is given, which is 23.4, and the volume of solution is given, which is 5 liter, and the concentration of solution is given, which is 6 molar. So I have here the mass of solute, concentration or molarity of solution, and volume of solution. And we are trying to find out the volume of solute. To find out the volume of solute, you have the mass of solute. So we have to divide this mass by the molar mass of K2CrO4. Then we can find out the number of moles. From this number of moles, we can find out the volume. How we can do that? I'll explain for you. As I told you, we have the mass of solute. We have the mass of solute, which is K2CrO4, which is 23.4 gram. So we have to divide mass of solute by molar mass of solute. So we have to find out molar mass of potassium chromate, which is K2CrO4. How we can find it? The solute is K2CrO4. So we have to time 2 times molar mass of potassium, which is from the periodic table. We can find it. The molar mass of potassium is, as you can see, 39.10. So we have to time 2 times 39.10 plus chromium, which is 52, plus 4 times oxygen, which is 15.999. So you can find the total, which is 194.2. This is the molar mass of potassium chromate. And You have to divide this mass by the molar mass to find out the number of moles. Then you have this number of moles. And the question is asking about the volume. How you can calculate the volume? Can you see here? The concentration is given, which is 6, or molarity is given, which is 6 molar. Molar means mole, number of moles per 1 liter. Yani this 6 moles in 1 liter. So what's the number of liters for 0.12 mole? You can find it. You have to multiply 1 by 0.12, divide by 6 to find out the volume, which is 0.020 liter. And I will give you a sample problem and try to solve it by yourself. The practice problem. What volume of a 0.5 molar solution of HBr is needed for a reaction that requires 32.5 gram of HBr? And the final answer is 0.83 liter. So you have to find out from the grams 32, from this 32.5 grams, you have to find out the number of moles. So you have to divide this mass by the molar mass of HBr, which is going to be calculated from the periodic table. Then you can find out the number of moles to calculate the number of liters. For this number of moles, you can notice here the concentration or the molarity, which is 0.5. So you have 0.5 mole in 1 liter. So what's the number of liters for 32.5, or sorry, for the number of moles calculated from this mass? And you can find out the final answer to be 0.83 liters.